guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been not too much minutes, but alhamdulillah we are here, and today we are doing something entirely new, something that you guys have never seen on this channel, which is me featuring somebody on the channel. So today I'm with my dearest beloved friend Onaizat Abdulaziz, which she has her own should I say a channel. Do you have a channel?
Not yet.
Okay, you have a channel where she has an Instagram account where she shares like reminders about almost everything. So right now we are about to talk more on ignorance, which is something that I feel it's rampant. People feel so much educated. We feel like we have the knowledge everywhere, but we are not putting it into practice, or we don't know where to like dig in and get the knowledge out. So she's my first feature on this channel for the very first time. You're highly welcome.
Thank you.
So today we'll be talking about ignorance. So like I know myself and the viewers would like to, let's say, have a proper definition of ignorance. We all know it's like lack of knowledge, but let's hear it from Date with Onaiza. Okay, that's her page name. Please follow her on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram account's name so that you guys can just quickly search for her and follow her and keep sharing and liking all her posts. So let's hear from you. What is ignorance?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ignorance is simply a lack of knowledge, lack of education, or lack of information about anything. Like when we talk about ignorance, whatever you don't have knowledge about it, then you are ignorant about that aspect.
Okay.
So it's like I'm going to talk about ignorance religiously, or when we talk about you don't have knowledge about it religiously, and you are trying to put yourself into the place of a knowledgeable people. So ignorant man is actually a dead person in the heart. Like he is alive, but he is dead at the same time. He is doing things that even a dead person will not be able to do that thing,
Exactly.
because his heart is already dead. So whenever a person is ignorant, he will not be able to do things that are almost right.
I have just two questions for you, which is, we have so much knowledge now. We
Yes,
feel like
yes.
there's internet. We can always dig in to get like the knowledge of almost everything that we want.
Yeah.
But still, I sense that people still lack knowledge. We all lack knowledge. We are kind of still ignorant in some aspects. So what can you say about our ignorance religiously?
Ignorance is one of the great problems in our society. Like the problems that are happening now in our country is just because of ignorance. People are ignorant and they are not ready to learn. They are not ready to change. They are not ready to admit that they are ignorant. As I said earlier, ignorance people are guided by the shaitan. And with that, it leads them to arrogance. Ignorance always go together with arrogance. They are feeling they are too big for the same ignorant man, the same arrogant man that doesn't have knowledge. Ignorant man doesn't know himself. He doesn't have senses. He is arrogant. He don't know what he's doing. He's carried away by the shaitan. And the same person, you will hear them talking about the ulamas, talking about religion. Like if an ulama says something about, you will see them talking about that knowledgeable person, while they don't even know what they are talking about. The shaitan, he is shaitan's weapon. Shaitan uses him the way he wants. He play with his senses, and he is talking about ulamas, as we said earlier. We have different types of ignorant people, and let's talk about two of them. There is this kind of ignorant person, الرجل لا يدري ولا يدري ويدري أنه لا يدري. He doesn't know, and he knows that he doesn't know, and he is willing to learn, that is let's say a student or a student, yeah, he's ready to learn, he's ready to change. So in that case, that kind of ignorant people are ready to change. They are ready to accept that they are ignorant, they don't know.
These ones, they don't even have
They
problem.
don't even have, yeah, they don't even have problem. And the kind of ignorant person that have a problem is the رجل يدري رجل لا يدري ولا يدري أنه لا يدري ذاك جاهل. He doesn't know, and he doesn't know that he doesn't know.
Wahala.
That one, the wahala. He doesn't know that he doesn't know, and he is not ready to learn. He's not ready to change. He is doing things like whatever come to his mind, whatever Shaitan told him, he is thinking that this is a good thing, and this is a good way to go. Yes. Then they are misled by the Shaitan, which later on they will become regretting what they have done or what they are doing. Whenever you see that it's going to benefit you, not even in your field of study, you can go and if there is a way for you to be knowledgeable, to know everything. There is no way that you can know everything, I know, but whatever you see that is going to benefit you, just try and know that thing. Maybe like you are a computer scientist or computer engineer. If you see that they are teaching computer in Arabic, in French, in Chinese, you can go and learn. That is what should I call it?
Like adding more knowledge.
Yeah, adding more knowledge to your knowledge. You can teach your knowledge to Chinese people, you can teach your knowledge to Arabic people, and it will become more beneficial to you and to the society.
Definitely.
And all these people that are doing bad things, if there is a way to communicate with them, there is a way to teach them, there is a way to guide them, there is a way to make them understand that what they are doing is actually very wrong, I think they might change. And there are some people that you will see that they are not actually ignorant. They are not the last part of ignorant we have talked about, but because of that, there are no people that will guide them. They lack guidance. No people will guide them. They are just misled by the society, so they become that category of ignorant people that they are not ready to change. When they reach a certain stage in life, they reach certain age, then they will think that me, I don't have
enough time.
I don't have enough time. Yes. Shaitan will be telling them that see, as this your age, why will you go and learn? What are you going to do with it? You can know is an old man that is ready and willing to learn is much more than a young man that is not willing to learn.
Yes.
So my small advice here is that we should try and be knowledgeable. We should try and learn new things. Always we should try and learn new things. However how small you think it is, it might be very small to you, but it will be very, very, very beneficial.
It can change your life to good.
It can change your life, and it can change the people around you or other people. It can change other people's life.
Yeah.
So with this small advice, I'm saying
Okay, thank you very much. So I hope we have learned something from Unaizat Abdulaziz, and I hope you guys will comment with whatever you have learned new from her.
Just comment to ask her question.
And also ask her question.
Ask her question, she will answer you.
She's the malama here, like she's
I'm
the
not
teacher
malama,
here.
she will answer you.
She's the teacher here. You guys should ask her a question. Drop your questions. I know she'll be in the comment section and she will answer all your questions.
Don't forget to follow my IG page.
Yes, please follow her IG page, which I will leave the handle name for you guys to just click and follow her. She drops important reminders for all of us to learn. So with this, I think we have come to the end of this wonderful vlog. Just as you guys have seen, we are in an outdoor setting, and I really love the environment, the flowers that are there, the settings, everything. I love everything.
No, they haven't seen the flowers.
They have seen. I've covered like some videos about it.
Okay.
I've covered some videos about it. So at the end, we are at the end now. We need to get going because I'm running out of time. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in another interesting video. Bye.
Bye.